Today I'm going to show you how to create your own tote bag using vinyl stencil, fusion mineral paint, and blank tote bag, and also we'll need some brushes. So first thing I'm going to do is flip the design with the back facing up and remove the white paper from the back. I'll also make sure none of the black stencils left stays on the white paper. What's this little edge here? Yeah. And then when I'm ready, I'll just flip it over and center it down onto the fabric. Then I'm going to press it down firmly with my hands and start removing the white paper from the top. So this step is the hardest thing in the whole process, is to remove the white paper that keeps the stencil together. But once you have done this, then the painting itself is very easy. If you're doing this with the kids, I would suggest that you do this step before you get the kids to help you, especially younger kids, to help you paint, because it can be a little time consuming, and you just need to take your time, and any pieces that lift up, you just push them back down. And I'm also going to use this white paper that I removed them back and slide it in between the two fabrics so that the paint doesn't go through to the back side of your tote bag. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to start painting, and I'll be just dabbing on the paint on the project. I'll try to use less paint. Especially if you're working with the kids and you feel like they're going to use too much paint, just dab some and then offload on a piece of paper. Yeah, so you can either dab it or you can just paint it on like a brush. But like I said before, it's best to do light coats than one heavy coat, because the paint might bleed under the stencil and you're not going to have as sharp edges for your design. And that's okay too. This is handmade, homemade. Okay, now I'm gonna let this dry, and then I'll be able to remove the stencil. Okay, so let's do the reveal next. So I'm just gonna remove everything that comes off, and then I'll put my hand in between the fabrics and just start peeling off the little pieces in the middle of the letters. You go, there's my bag. It's all ready.